Okay, so I'm actually gonna do some food prep. I won't bore you with all the details, but this is how we start. Just finished a little workout, you know, I'm gonna do my food prep and have a steak. Okay, so my dad gave me one of these amazing cutters. Oh, it's the cleaver. Okay, I got it now. I fucking love this thing. Carrots, done. I'm gonna cut everything up with this. I dug out of the middle of the salad. I literally did it with my hands, and then I'm really generous with the salt and pepper. Like, really generous. Pepper, I love. Some salt. I'm a big sweater. I'm gonna sweat a lot today, so I'm putting that on there. Now, I'm gonna have a hard time not getting stuck into that. And maybe from some of my videos, you may have seen that, yeah, most of the time the salad is half eaten, but I'm gonna go turn the steak over.